Down here, vision no longer matters. The darkness is too complete. In the deep Pacific, sound becomes the only way to understand the world. Whales send low-frequency calls that travel hundreds of kilometers farther than any human signal has ever reached into space. Some creatures feel vibrations instead of seeing shapes. A single movement can be detected from far away, like a whisper echoing through a vast, dark void. But the ocean makes its own noises. Slow knocks, long hums, deep pulses that scientists still can't fully explain. In space, we search for radio signals from distant worlds. But in our own oceans, unexplained sounds rise from below, recorded, studied, but never answered. The deeper we go, the quieter we become, because in this world, anything that makes a noise is announcing its presence. And something in the Pacific has been listening far longer than we have. If you're fascinated by the mysteries of our planet, hit that subscribe button.